Good morning, everybody. My name is Darcy. I'm here with my co-founder, Tate, and we started ZayZoon because we're on a mission to save 10 million employees $10 billion. So we do this by way of offering employees access to their earned wages and other impactful financial products. So today, we're going to be demoing the next big thing in earned wage access, or as we refer to it, as EWA. So we've got an embedded EWA solution, which really isn't anything new. We've been doing that for
8 years.
yeah, 8+ years. In fact, we're partnered with 250 payroll, payment, financial institutions to really serve up embedded financial capability. And that's important to our partners because it enables them to expand their offering, attract new clients, and realize significant new revenue opportunities. So I want to start by just kind of zooming back and taking a look at our 250 plus partners in industry. On a daily basis, in simply our payroll ecosystem alone, we have 7.5 million employers logging in. Employers. So employees, that represents tens of millions of people. And yet, when you think about payroll, payments, and even banking, over the last few decades, no one's really been able to leverage this massive opportunity.
Yeah, so for context, LinkedIn makes about $1 billion every single year off of that amount of impressions alone, just in ad revenue. And so that's exactly what ZayZoon's focused on, really, is impressions. Our earned wage access embedded widget is all about contextual finance. Contextual finance means meeting your customers where they're at their most moment of need, right? They're in their payroll portals, they're viewing their pay stubs, they're clocking in and out in their time and attendance system. They might even be in their banking system checking their balance. So today we're going to demo one of our partners, Prism HR. Prism HR is a PEO platform responsible for paying about 80,000 businesses. I'm logging in as a manager at a work site. We're going to say that it pays 85 on-the-road caregivers. I'm in here today to manage some timesheets. Now, the ZayZoon widget is here. It is smart, it's trackable, it's personal, and it gives ZayZoon and our partner Prism HR insight into impressions and other stats. Now, I can also go a layer deeper, and I can actually go to the ZayZoon Connect app here. And here I'm able to see how many of my employees are taking payouts, what amount they're using. I'm also able to broadcast out to my employees, as well as engage in things like rewards and recognition to better engage my workforce. Again, going a step further, I can see exactly how many employees are using, when they're using it, and what that sign-up rate looks like compared to other employers in the industry that are in my similar industry. Now, as a worksite manager, I'm also an employee of this organization. And so when I log into my payroll portal, I'm viewing my pay stubs, which I have a paycheck in 3 days, and it doesn't look like I'm getting paid a whole lot in this one. But I'm also able to see ZayZoon here. Again, this is completely personal to my experience. It knows exactly how many hours I've worked but have not yet been paid for. And in this case, I'm able to access $342 early. Now, typically, the experience is, of course, mobile-driven. Today, we're demoing on desktop. But it gives you the same idea here. And so that employee is able to click through. I'm going to choose to take $100 today. And there's many ways that I can access my money. So at ZayZoon, we really pride ourselves on giving the employee flexibility in how they choose to access their funds, including they can send that to a Venmo wallet. We have our own ZayZoon Visa debit card. There's the ability for them to send that to a gift card with a bonus attached to it. But for today, I'm just going to send it to this test wallet and get it to myself instantaneously. Just like that, I have funds in my bank account ready to be used. I'm also able to check out ZayZoon's financial wellness toolset. I can link my bank account here to get insights, to get notified if I'm at risk of overdrafting, as well as a full education platform with over 250 courses and tools. There's a perks section here, which comes loaded with a marketplace full of ways that we can help save employees additional dollars. This car insurance one is actually really quite cool. Our customers on average are saving $750 a year on their car insurance just by comparing it through the ZayZoon marketplace. And so that's really what the ZayZoon platform is built on, is this contextual ability to be in front of our employees' eyes and our customers' eyes as they need it at their point of need, and provide them the utmost flexibility in that experience.
So Tate just walked you through the employee experience. It's contextual. I can see what I've earned. I can access other impactful financial products. He also walked you through, I'm a worksite manager. So I log in, I can broadcast out to my employees, I can serve up and create awareness about these important financial products that are available to them that without this offering, they wouldn't have. We're largely dealing with the deskless workforce. Now think about it from the payroll, payments, or financial institution context. This accessibility for you as we deploy through your channel means that you are first in line. Your clients are going to go to you for earned wage access and other financial products and other workforce engagement products. They're not going to be turning to third parties. You are going to serve up this really meaningful utility to your client base and their constituents. And remember what we said about contextual finance? Embedded means continual dynamic exposure. With ZayZoon, your platform becomes that go-to hub, driving more impressions and increasing the likelihood of mass adoption. We have that in proof. Employees log in 7 times more often when we launch ZayZoon with our partners.